Mm.
Just now we clicked on the why chose us, no? That one, that block I'm talking about. Not that one. Both. We edited the 3 columns.
Yes, we edited this.
Yeah, we edited the video.
That's here.
Yeah, we edited the next one, the third one which we were trying to do that.
Here.
Yeah. So now that WP menu is there, just cut this, delete this, delete that. Now take the cursor on the WP custom menu. Just now we took the cursor there, no? No, here. Go top. Yeah. Now WP custom menu, can you see?
So I have again this in the background, so I cannot hear you very well.
Can you hear me now?
Better, yes.
Yeah. So this custom menu is there, WP custom menu.
This one.
No, top. Why choose us is there, no? Why choose us? Yeah, video box. Go to the video box.
That's here.
Video box. Next to that heading. Next to that another heading. Yeah, that is why choose us. Yeah, that WP custom menu is there. Delete this. Cut that.
This one, the small one here.
Yeah. Cut that. The last one. No, don't edit it. Yeah, close it. Take the cursor there. The last one. Yes, last one. Cut that. Cross. Yeah.
This one.
No, right cross, right side. Yeah,
that one.
It. Yeah.
Okay.
You can delete it. Now I want an image there. Okay. Instead of that, I want an image. So click on the plus icon. Click on the plus icon there. Yeah. So these are the different elements which you can put it there. So these are the different elements. Whichever you want, you can put it there. So if I want an image, I can choose an image here. So to go top, you have an image option. So you can say single image is there. Go top. So any of these things can be added here. So if I want a single image now, single image, just left to that single image gallery, next to left of that, left to that. Yes, click on that. So here below that single image is there. So now you can edit it and then place some images there. Okay, so now now the image is there, right? So just below that there is image size. So here we can choose which kind of image: thumbnail, medium, large, or full. This is the size of the image. Okay, thumbnail means it will be smaller. Little medium means it becomes little bigger. If you want a large image or if you want a full image. Full image means actual size of the image. So if it is 1000 width, it will become 1000 width. If you say large, it will automatically shrink, and then medium means little more, and then thumbnail means smaller. So based on your requirement and the layout, you can choose or if you want to say medium, just delete thumbnail and then type medium. Medium, type medium. Yes, now you can save the changes. Now update. There. There's an image. So you can insert anything there. If you click on plus, instead of image, you want something else, any element, you can edit there.
But you can insert anything to
Yes.
anywhere, because everywhere there's a cross like
Yes.
this.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Just click on that cross, and then you can
Mm-hmm.
add anything. Just go down and then add something and see. Just below the video box, or so we see what we can add. Maybe we can add a button or a call to action. Maybe Facebook like we can add. There you
Mm-hmm. There it is.
go.
Oh, and it's in German.
Yeah. So this is how you can add the elements and then make it more interactive and then more effective. Got it.
Yes.
Remove all the plugins. Everything is done. So it will be a new one. You will not be able to access this page. So just go back.
Yeah. So I just go to
Dashboard. Now website it will be gone because it is. I removed it.
Okay. I see everything's gone.
Yeah. So now what we have to do.
The structure here. Does it
Huh?
always stay the same? The structure here on the left side. Is this always the same structure? Post,
Yeah,
media,
yeah,
pages, comments.
yeah, that will always be the same.
Can this change from domain to domain from domain provider?
No, it doesn't
No?
change.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
So this is the basic of all the WordPress site.
Okay.
So now what you have to do is so now you it's got downloaded, right? Is it still downloading or it's downloaded?
No, no, I have it. It's okay. I was just taking a note.
Okay, okay.
So.
You finished your lunch?
Yes, I did.
Great. So now you start working on the same thing what we have done in the morning. In the previous sessions, you start installing the theme. Okay, you already started. Okay. So, okay. Good.
Where's desktop? Yeah.
So you read online or you purchase books and then read?
I read books and I have an e-reader, so as well read digital copies.
Mm-hmm. Now everything is digital copy. So people are reading digital copy. Just refresh that. Go to appearance and views.
Is that the new?
No. Yeah. Just click on activate. What is the first step?
And then I need to install all the plugins.
Exactly. So just click on the plugins on the top menu. Is there no? Plugins. Here on the black strip, right hand side. Right hand side. There, welcome Pearl is there, no? Not there. Okay, here also you can do begin install all the plugin. You come down.
Yeah, no, add new.
No, not. So here begin install plugins is there, no? Just down. The second row. Leave a review is there. Yes, just below that. Just cursor you put there. Begin install plugin dismiss. Yes, click there. So select all. Yeah. Drop down. Click on the drop down. Bulk actions. Install. Apply. Just click on apply. You need to click on apply. Again, select all. What is the next step?
Yes, I did select all, but now it's saying no plugins are available to be installed at this time.
Are available to be installed. Yeah, it is already installed. That's why it's saying no other.
Oh, okay.
What is the next step?
Import demo.
Now, after installing,
Activate them. Okay.
it's successfully. Okay. Okay, done. So now we have to go to, we have to look for the demo. So now just refresh this page.